sight for sore eyes. Ain't I glad to see you? You look good.
Look like I'm hurt, which I am. But I've subscribed to the notion that whatever doesn't kill us simply makes us
stronger.
Sharper. Did you know that LA used to suffer from serious floods?
Yeah, I think I heard that at some point.
LA tried building dams, but that didn't solve it. So after a couple disastrous floods in the 30s, LA reached out to the federal government. And they brought in the Army Corps of Engineers, and in 20 years, they built and designed the LA River. 50-mile waterway to save the City of Angels. I was right about this rock. We're making more money than we ever could have dreamed of. What I was wrong about was the cause. Lives are gonna be destroyed. Anything I can do about that now, just have to keep going. Keep things under control as best I can, you know?
How do you do that?
I bring in the federal government. I'll identify anybody who poses a threat to stability, and you'll help me take them down. It's how we keep the violence at bay. Stay out the paper so we can make that paper.
Why would I help you do that?